Oftentimes, with fraudulent immigration services, what happens is that um, applicants or immigration benefit seekers want to get some kind of status. So they will turn to people who are advertising that they can assist in filing their immigration paperwork, promise them an employment authorization, and often charge a fee to file those papers. Oftentimes, these so called immigration practitioners do not have knowledge of the law and do not ask the right questions to see if that applicant is eligible for the immigration benefit and can seriously jeopardize a person's status. That to the point that they could be put in immigration removal proceedings. What I see is so-called notarios that will assist in filing immigration forms and charge a large fee. And notarios here in Minnesota are not the same as they are from Spanish-speaking countries. A notario in Minnesota can only witness the signature and see that the person who is signing the form is the person that they say that they are. And usually a notario in Minnesota does not charge for this, or it's a very minimal fee of less than $5. Notarios from other countries almost serve like attorneys where they can do um, legal paperwork and will charge fees, but they don't give any type of legal advice. Well, one of the consequences is that oftentimes they pay a lot of money. Notarios do not ask the right questions um, as to what they basically do. They'll ask the question and fill out the form, and that's pretty much it. But they don't know all the little ins and outs and ifs, ands, or buts of how a certain immigration application affects a person and what they can do, what can happen in the future. For example, if they don't ask questions about immigration or a criminal background and they fill out the form um, and send it into immigration, immigration does background checks. And if a person said that they did not have a criminal history when they do, it just jeopardizes their status anymore, a lot more, depending on what the criminal charge was. Not go to notarios that are advertising that they will do immigration work or tax returns or any kind of other legal forms wherein there are other organizations that can assist them with that. Seek immigration counsel with an immigration attorney or with a nonprofit agencies. There's several throughout Minnesota that assist on immigration cases. Someone may have been successful in one case. It doesn't mean that it will be true in their case, because there could be one fact that may not be a big deal, but it could change the course of the application. So